Interesting facts about Canada. Canada is the second largest country in the world after Russia. The border between the United States and Canada is the longest on the planet. 31% of Canada's territory is covered by forests. Canada has the northernmost settlement on Earth, a military base off the north coast of Ellesmere Island. Canada has more lakes than any other country. 60% of all lakes in the world are located here, about 2 million. The most popular sport among Canadians is ice hockey. About 250 accidents caused by moose occur on Canadian roads every year. Basketball was invented in Canada.